Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. So someone asked me to he have a problem in this type of question: how to declare an implicit and explicit function in Matlab, how to solve implicit and explicit function in Matlab. So the today tutorial will be about the implicit and explicit function, and we will solve this in Matlab. So before solving these implicit and explicit function, here we have some explicit function, three explicit function in our screen. So we will solve in these three one by one and with step by step. So before solving this, you must have knowledge about how to solve a mathematical equation in Matlab. So if you didn't know how to solve them, or how to with proper step, or if you're facing any difficulties solving a mathematical equation in Matlab, so you watch our tutorial we uploaded before a week before. So you watch it, so you will understand how to solve and the basic steps you need to know how to solve the mathematical equation in Matlab. So before watching this, you come here and you will understand these very well. After these three, we will solve some explicit function too, some explicit function, and then implicit function, and these are some explicit function. So let's see the syntax. So f is a variable we declared, you can give it any name. So add these two bracket here. I am going to solve first an implicit function, then we will solve in these three implicit function. So these two variable for implicit function. What is implicit function? Implicit function which we have both x and y variable, and explicit function is those in which we have only one variable, which is either as x or either as y, any can be. So here we have to write x cross y. So this is a one function. So let's run this and see the result. So now how to call it in Matlab command window. How to call this function Matlab command window? X, we have to giving the value for x 2, for y is 3. So now run this, get the result. So you can calculate it manually, you will get the same result. This is how we can solve an explicit function in Matlab and how to call it in the command window. Hope you got it. Now we have these three equations. We have to solve them one by one. So hope you got the syntax. So create another variable is equal to at. Now here we have an explicit function, here we have an explicit function. So for that we have we will declare only one variable here. So after that we have write it x power 2. We write it as an x power 2. Okay, so now let's run it. So now how to call it in command window? This 2. Now we are writing a second line, we are calling the second function x square 2. Now the answer will be equal to 4. So let's see, answer is 4. You can calculate it manually, then solve here. So now I am going to solve a third equation. Third one is equal to at x. Now exponential function, what we are using for exponential function, if you don't know, so you can see our previous tutorial, we write it some exponential function also there. So if you don't know, so let's take a look here. Exp is we are using for exponential function, and we are writing power in bracket for this is for only exponential function. Okay, this is only for exponential function. So the power we have is 1 by x. So this is the third function. So let's call it triple F. So we have I like to give it 4C. Now given other values 9. So let's see, this is answer. You can calculate it by using calculator and by manual method to verify it whether we are doing it right or not. So remember that for exponential function we have to write a in the power. If there is a power 2, if there is power 2, we have to write power is here, but we have power 1 by x in the question, so we have e power e square. If we have e square, if we will have a e power e square, then we have to write here square. If we have e power 3, then we have to write here x power 3. So now we have 1 by x, so I write. So this is all about our 3 question exponential function. Hope you got it. Now the last one function is also implicit. So syntax is same. So hope you now remember syntax. So here sine of x power 2. Okay, this is our function. So now let's run it and just busy mode. Okay, license variant is expire. We have license expire, so that's why it's giving an error. So this is all about we declared function and 4 functions, and also we calculate the values. So you can calculate it by manually and by using a Matlab tools to verify it. Okay, so this is all about how to solve implicit explicit functions in Matlab. So this is full tutorial. If you got any help from this channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends, so they will also get any help from it. If you have any question or any problem or anything, just, so please comment it down, so we will approach you and we will try to solve your problems here with free of cost and everything. Okay, so just comment it down below. We will take your problem and make a video on it, upload on this channel, so you will get benefit from here. So just our request is only you